Hi scholars! Today's algebra question comes from our Algebra Skills LearnCurious Companion book available on Amazon. Again with another SAT algebra question and a kitty in the background if you can hear him. This question is asking us about an equivalent statement. We've got different variables, but remember a variable is just a stand-in for a value, and so if we've got j up here and it's asking for an equation that has the same solution, we're going to be looking for a variable x in the answers that has the same value as our variable j up in the questions. So let's take a look at what we're given. We've got 48j equals 10 times quantity 10 minus j divided by 2. So first let's go ahead and distribute that 10 all the way through. We can do that real quick. So we get 48j equals 100 minus 10j over 2. And now we want to combine like terms, so let's do that as well. And it'll be easier to do that when we take this denominator 2 and get rid of it so we have no fractions. So we can do that by multiplying each of the other terms by 2. So we can cancel that out and we can say that 96j equals 200 minus 10j. So now we're in good shape here. We can now combine like terms by adding 10j to both sides. So we get 106j equals 200. And then let's just divide out that 106 to get j equals 100 divided by 53. So j equals 100 over 53 is the value that we want to match. So we want our x value to equal 100 over 53, in other words. So let's go to the answers now. 10 to the power of x equals 53. And we don't have any powers here, and that would require some more advanced math that we know won't match this value, so we can pop that out. If you wanted another way to test that too, we could also just plug this in to our x value and see if it makes a true statement. That's another way to solve these that makes might be a bit more confidence producing. Let's try letter B. So 53 divided by 100 divided by 53 equals 100 times 100 over 53. That's not going to be a match either, so we can eliminate B. C gives us 100 over 53 plus 53 equals 100. That's not going to be correct either because this will divide out to about 2 and some change, so 2 plus 53 is not 100. And so we've got to go with D. Let's just expand this out. We've got 100 equals 53, and or 53x rather. And sure enough, when we divide out that 53, we get x equals 100 over 53. So it's got to be D. Questions you'd like me to cover, just drop them down in the comments. In the meantime, I'll be playing with this kitty who's been very patiently, well, kind of patiently, he's been yelling at me.